Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Node 18 or newer, Git, and either a Botpress cloud instance or self-hosted server with an access token. Once done, create a bot in Botpress and copy its bot ID and API key. You also need HTTPS-enabled hosting so browsers allow the widget. Make sure you can edit your site's HTML and add a small JS snippet. These steps get credentials and environment ready, so the widget will connect securely to your bot. Now add the Botpress web chat script to your site and initialize it with the bot ID, host URL, and auth token. This connects the client to your bot. Once initialized, configure welcome messages, session persistence, and styling options so the widget matches your site. Make sure to place initialization after the DOM is ready or in an async loader. Otherwise, the widget may fail to bind. These middle steps establish runtime behavior and user experience for real interactions. Finish by thoroughly testing. Open your site, send messages, and confirm Botpress replies. Once satisfied, deploy to production and monitor logs for session and network errors. If messages don't appear, check for CORS issues, invalid tokens, or mismatched host URLs. These are common causes. Also inspect content security policy and ensure the web chat script source is allowed. One troubleshooting tip: replicate the failure in the browser console. Network and auth errors point directly to the misconfiguration to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.